Oh, look at that. Nice and warm, bit of heat. Yes, we're back at projects with Kev, working on the 698 spoke wheel. This is part 15, 16, I can't fucking keep up. We've got the spoke wheel back from SM Pro, and they have trued it over that way towards the disc. We have a custom spindle made, which is Kev's mate's done, which is Brucey bonus, and we tested that the nut fits on. So now it is all about getting it all on the bike and seeing what's what. Fingers crossed. OEM wheel is off. Let's see if this chunky thing gets through. Oh. Do a bit of DIY. See if we can make it a bit smaller. Tiny bit tight. It's a bit tiny bit chunky, a bit fat, sorry. Oh, look at that. Perfect. And on the other side, isn't it? That's the bit chunky.
Slightly tapered.
Oh, okay. In the middle a bit.
Just got to end the cloth that bit.
Okay. Right, see if it goes all through nice and smooth.
Right at the end.
Right at the end now.
You're not going to be that far in.
We'll put it in the centre again.
Yeah, go get the centre of it.
It's certainly looking better anyway. I mean, I think the gaps there and the gaps there look good. That can be sorted out afterwards, that will move over. But yeah, babe, we're getting there. Getting there.
Gives some idea.
Yeah. So we need to now, with it all lined up and centred, the stock spacer doesn't fit in that, it's a little bit small, so we're trying to get a spacer made up to go in that side, and we'll sort this side out first before concentrate on that side, and we're hoping the stock one may actually fit on, but I'm getting excited. Yes.
Look at that.
Oh, custom spacing in, looking good, no noise.
Right, so I'll put that one in.
That's clever, using both on each side.
But it's not sticking through far enough.
Yeah, so it won't get on well. Spacer's too thick then.
Yeah.
Okay.
The spindle's got to come through and touch the bearing by the look of it.
Can it go further through? Because it'll be stopped by that chunk, innit? The lip. Well, no, it won't.
No, so
As it's like carrying going until it goes to the bearing instead of having.
We should have had that made a bit longer.
That's almost. I know.
2mm washer.
It looks it, doesn't it? Yeah. Measurements look like it's spot on.
It's about fucking 1mm. Could have had 1mm added on that.
And you can't just nudge this through, like
Yeah, if you tighten it up, it'll go in.
pull it through.
It's going to be inside that, but
That's no big deal, is it? By 1mm. I'm assuming that's all right.
No,
I mean, I'm not an expert.
That's tight. That's it.
We're done.
Or you can put 2mm spacer in there and have that flush.
Who gives a shit, mate? Mate, I'll have spindle protectors over there anyway, so you never see it.
Oh, you're going to put...
Yeah,
Oh,
I've got those because I've already crashed one, so I need to put some more on.
On the centre of the disc. It's done.
Is it done?
See? Now you're going to put bobbins through. Solid, you're going to have that drilled.
Oh shit, yeah. I'll have to have it drilled to get that thing through, yeah. Wow, and even that clears as well. Clears. Get in. Custom spacer.
Hey, there's a thumb.
And even just pulled all the way through. And it's clearing that lip as well, isn't it? Yeah, it's just clearing it as well. Fuck it, one of my smallest of gaps.
Yeah, fucking alright, eh?
God, get in. In. Black country style, it's in. It's fucking done. So remember, guys, if you ever want any of your motorcycle needs, come and see Kev here. Projects Cradley Heath, yeah, we're in Cradley Heath. Projects Dyno. What's the industrial estate, Kev? Spinners End Industrial Estate. The man can absolutely do anything, as we've just proved with the wheel. So, yes, guys, hopefully we'll crack on, get the tyres fitted, and then we'll do a final reveal. Right, catch you later.